I hope this is going to help you, and I hope somewhere or the other you're going to do these things. I have told very simple things for you to do, and yes, I just wish that we all have a better mental health each and every day, like we can overcome difficult situations together. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Quirky Girl, and this is me, Koel. So if you're watching my face for the very first time, you know the drill. Just go subscribe to my channel, hit the red button and hit the bell notification as well, so that every time I upload new videos you get notified. So as you know by the title already, why I am here today, what I'm going to talk about. So yes, it was World Mental Health Day yesterday, but today also we are going to talk about it, because lately me and my family, we are facing mental health issues, and it's not really healthy right here. So yeah, that's why I thought, let me just grab my cup of chai and have a talk with you guys. So let's get started without any further ado, but first let me take a sip. I've made amazing chai and I'm so proud of it. Remember, mental health is important. It is not a sign of weakness. If you are not mentally healthy, that doesn't mean that you are weak. Absolutely not. Mental health is something that everyone has, but a lot of people do not come forward to talk about it. But remember, everyone has a mental health and everyone is affected by it somehow or the other, but they just do not open up. Mental health is not about feeling good every time or feeling bad every time. It's the effect of both positive and negative. So it's changeable, it is complex, and it is real. My friends, it is real. Okay, so we often overlook mental health, right? We focus more on our physical health, how we are looking from outside. Do we have any pain here, there on the body? We do not care about the mental health that affects us so much. Most of the time, like unknowingly, it affects us so much, right? We are worried, like what is wrong with me, what happened to me? But deep down, there's your mental health that is not stable, that is not fine, that's not healthy. So yeah, we need to keep that in mind, and then we need to move forward with few of the things that I'm going to tell you guys how you can cope up with it. So now that I have a platform to share with you guys, then why shouldn't I, like, there are few things that I keep on doing to myself to keep my mental condition healthy and stable. And if you guys think, I know it won't be reaching to a lot of people, but कुछ लोगों के पास जाएगा, जिन भी लोगों के पास जाएगा, just if you think it will kind of help someone you know, or it is helping you in a way, and if you think that I'm making some sense, then please do share this video with your friends and family. So without wasting any more time, I guess I will just indulge in the video, and yeah, let's get started. But before that, so the first thing that we need to do is try to heal ourselves. Let's not depend on someone, like I will reach out to someone, I will talk to someone, and then I will be feeling good about something. That's not the case. You can heal yourself as well. I have always made sure that I try to help myself Because look, people are also busy. Someone you're going to talk to, that person is also busy. That person also has a lot of issues going on in his or her life. So that's why first thing that we should try is how can we heal ourselves? Why to rely on others, right? Just find some ways to heal yourself. So moving on from this pointer, I would go to the next point, that is practice affirmations. I'll tell you how. So stand in front of the mirror, talk to yourself, have a self positive talk session with yourself. Stand in front of the mirror, face yourself, and just tell yourself that I'm going to overcome this. I will get through this. This situation will get more better. Just talk to yourself. Just see how that's going to boost your mood, how it's going to light up your mood, how much positive you're going to feel. Talk to yourself and make yourself heal by that. Just try it once and let me know in the comments if it helps you. Moving on from this, other things that you can do is, if you're not comfortable with what I said just now, you can always take a diary. Like, I have my diary right here. Planner, diary, whatever it is. Try out some affirmations. I do these things and I help myself in this way. It helps me a lot. So that's why आपको भी बता रहे, so that it helps you somewhere or the other. So the affirmations that you can write is, just grab a diary, sit with your pen and diary and just write affirmations like, I will get through this like I do every time. You getting me? Write positive things. Okay. This is not forever a constant. So just have to write positive things about yourself. That's it. That helps mentally a lot. It has helped me, it will help you for sure. Okay. The other thing that you can write is, I am loved, safe and protected. Yes, you are. This will soon pass and I will feel happy again. These 4 lines that I told you, these 4 affirmations that I told you are so important. You don't know how it changes you or how it changes your inner self. It changes your inner self a lot. It boosts your confidence a lot that yes, I can survive this. Moving on from this, next thing I would suggest you is to do some gratitude journaling. Again, sit with your pen and paper and just write down few of the gratitudes, few of the things that you're grateful for. I had been practicing this since the beginning of this year because I thought it's high time I should just do journaling. And journaling can be done in various ways. If you want a different video about it, I will surely bring. Write down the things that you're grateful for. Write down 5 things at the end of the day before you go to sleep at night. For example, I'm grateful that I have a platform like this where I can connect with you guys. So few things we take very granted. Just for example, the breathing, right? We take breathing so granted. We don't even realize how important it is. So once you do gratitude journaling, you get to know how important few things in life are. So look out to the little things around you that you can be grateful for. I wish you started from today onwards after watching the video. So moving on from this, we go to the next pointer, that is having some me time. Just like make some warm coffee, warm tea for yourself. On that note, take some hot shower, or else what you can do is put on a face mask and just sit, relax for some time. Just keep your thoughts away, just relax, indulge in yourself, do some self-care. We all have one or the other hobbies and we feel happy about something or the other. So why not indulge in those things that makes us happy? Moving from that, you can always go out for a walk. Have a good brisk walk. You're gonna feel so much fresh after you come back. Like that helps you a lot. Just take out 10 minutes for yourself. Sit down, relax, close your eyes, do some breathing exercises and do some meditation. That's going to help you so much. It relaxes you from within, and unless you try it, you won't know the essence of it. Next thing I would suggest you guys to do is like talk to someone. Now, in the beginning of the video, I told you that you do not necessarily have to talk to someone, because that person might also have issues going on in their life. But if you have a friend who is ready to listen to you, so just pick up the phone, ask if you're doing fine. If that person says he's not doing fine, then just listen to what all he's saying, what all blabbering he's doing. Just listen to it. You don't have to give a solution. You don't have to feel devastated. Oh my god, what my friend is going through, I cannot help him out. You are actually helping by listening to that person, you know. So be it over phone or be it when you meet and talk, you just have to listen. You don't have to talk, you don't have to give your own solutions, you don't have to feel like I cannot help my friend. That's not important. Just sit with your friend or just call the person and just ask if you're doing fine and let the person speak. So that is how someone would heal a lot. Just be right there for the person. So the last thing is, if nothing is helping you, if nothing at all is helping you, just visit a therapist. Go to a professional someone, take some professional help. That might help you, because mental health is not something to just ठीक है हो जाएगा, ठीक है I will be fine. No, why? When you have all the resources to overcome the bad situations, when you have all the resources to keep your mental health healthy, then why not? Why not take advantage of all the resources that I have? I have the right to be healthy mentally and physically both. Then why not? Why am I not healthy mentally? So if these are not helping you at all, just visit a therapist. Or if your friend or if your parents are a therapist to you, that's a cherry on the cake, right? So yeah, I told you so many things and we have come to an end of this video, and I have just finished my chai, and like talking to you guys, I felt so good. Like I have let all my thoughts come to you, and I had been practicing all this since a long time. I thought why not let me share my bit of experience with you guys as well. So yeah, these are the things that I do for you guys out there. It's not difficult to overcome any situation. Just stay strong, stay with your family, stay connected, be the good listener to your friend or family, and have a happy life. But with that said, I just want to quote something that I had read on the internet yesterday and I so loved it. So yeah, that is, remember that not all injuries, scars or wounds are visible. Some we carry with us without telling anyone else about them. So this hit me hard, and this made me feel that I should make this video. So yeah, had a lot of deep talk, and there are more ways you can recover yourself, there are more ways you can feel good about. So these are the few of the things that I have told you. There are like 101 ways that you can feel good about yourself and you can take care of your mental health. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this whole video. If you know anyone who is not mentally stable right now, who is going through a lot of hardships, feeling down lately, just go Send this video to that person, to that friend of yours, to that family member of yours, to whomsoever you know in this world. Share this video with them and let them feel good about themselves. And yeah, just let them know that yes, these are the things that you can do, you can practice yourself, and you can always heal yourself. Yeah, if you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends, whomsoever need it, just share it, practice it yourself, and do not forget to comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can always do it because free hai. So thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Toodles.